Hello everybody, Lunar Haunts here and welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be opening a package from Closed Casket Studios. I found this company quite recently actually, from Transworld, because I was watching Transworld videos and I saw their stuff and I really liked the style of it, and they have really good prices as well, so I do recommend checking it out. The link will be in the description. I got this on the Black Friday sale that they had for, I believe it was $90 with shipping. And it is more expensive for what it is because it is a professional company. But yeah. Oh, that's cool. So there's this paper, I'll definitely keep that. I love that. That's awesome. Oh, ew. Put a cockroach in it. That's fun. That is so cool. So I got Wormfood, is the name of this one. That is awesome. It's so much cooler in person. I'll definitely have some pictures of this. That's really cool. It's got a lot of great detail in it. I love the gloss around the mouth area and along the veins. Here's the back of the head. You even see he painted the veins into it. This is awesome. I'll leave their links in the description of the video. So thank you all for watching and happy haunting.